Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the developer console. Press F9 while the Roblox game window is active. This is the single direct entry point on PC, so make sure no other program intercepts that key. Once the console appears, pause and scan the tabs: log, server, client, and memory. This gives immediate feedback about errors and performance. If nothing opens, make sure your keyboard drivers are current and the game is the focused window before continuing. Once the console is visible, go to the Log tab and read the latest entries. You want to identify errors versus informational messages. Use the filter buttons to isolate script or error messages so you're not sifting through noise. Then use the search box to jump to a specific function name or variable. This speeds debugging by orders of magnitude. Make sure timestamps and stack traces are expanded so you can trace the exact script. You finish by running quick checks in the console's command bar. Small client-side Lua snippets verify behavior instantly. Remember, server-side issues appear in the Server tab, so coordinate tests with anyone hosting the server. If a command fails, read the error, adjust code, and retry. That loop is how you iterate. If the console hangs or shows no output, restart the game session and, if needed, clear Roblox cache to resolve corrupted state. That usually fixes persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.